Here I have Oppo A96, and today I'm going to show you how to scan QR codes on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap here on this icon, tap open camera while using the app, allow, and now let's scan, for example, this QR code. And as you can see, as soon as my camera sees this QR code, we can open the page which has been encoded to this QR code, and as you can see, the page HardReset.Info has been inside this QR code, and that's how you can access it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.